Hey friends, it's me, Samith. Today we're heading deep into the Amazon jungle, a rainforest bursting with wild, wonderful animals. We'll be explorers, searching for some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Ready with your explorer hats and binoculars? Let's meet 5 of the Amazon's strangest, rarest, and most incredible animals. The adventure begins now. Let's go. Meet the capybara, the world's largest rodent. These gentle giants are native to South America and are instantly recognizable by their barrel-shaped bodies, blunt snouts, and ever-calm expressions. If you've ever wondered what it would be like if a guinea pig grew up to the size of a dog, the capybara is your answer. Imagine a guinea pig, but way bigger and super chill. Capybaras can weigh up to 150 pounds and stretch over 4 feet long. Despite their size, they're famous for their laid-back attitude. Capybaras love water, and you'll almost always find them close to a river, lake, or marsh. They're amazing swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Their bodies are built for aquatic life, with sleek fur that dries quickly and webbed feet that help them paddle with ease. When danger approaches, they slip silently beneath the surface, using the water as their safe haven. You'll find them lounging by rivers and lakes, often in big groups, sometimes up to 100. These herds are made up of families and friends, all sticking together for safety and companionship. Capybaras are true socialites of the animal kingdom. They're social, gentle, and even nap in the water with just their noses poking out. This clever trick lets them stay cool and safe from predators while catching some much-needed rest. Their calm nature makes them a favorite among other animals too. Capybaras are famous for being friendly, not just with each other, but with all sorts of animals, birds, monkeys, even caimans. They're true jungle diplomats. Birds perch on their backs, monkeys groom them, and even predators seem to respect their peaceful vibe. It's not uncommon to see a capybara surrounded by a mini menagerie of Amazon wildlife. What do they eat? Plants. Capybaras are strict herbivores, munching on a variety of vegetation to keep their energy up. Grasses and aquatic greens are their favorites. They spend hours each day grazing, and their diet helps keep the wetlands healthy by trimming back overgrown plants. Their strong teeth are perfect for munching tough plants all day. These teeth never stop growing, so constant chewing is a must. Capybaras even practice a special kind of eating called coprophagy, re-eating some of their food to get every last bit of nutrition. Capybaras have webbed feet for swimming, which act like natural paddles. This adaptation lets them glide through water with surprising speed and agility, escaping predators or just enjoying a refreshing dip. And check this out. Their eyes, ears, and noses are all perched on top of their heads. This clever design means they can stay mostly underwater and still keep watch for danger, just like a mini hippo or crocodile. They make all sorts of funny noises, barks, whistles, purrs, to chat with their group. These sounds help them stay connected, warn of danger, or just say hello. Each capybara has its own unique voice. If you spot a giant, relaxed guinea pig by the water in South America, you found a capybara. They're found in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, and Colombia, always close to water. They remind us that being calm and friendly is a superpower. In a world full of hustle and bustle, the capybara's peaceful presence is a lesson in taking it easy and getting along with others. Nature designed them perfectly for their watery social lifestyle. Their bodies, habits, and personalities all work together to help them thrive in the Amazon's wild, unpredictable world. Capybaras are gentle giants, always ready for a group hangout. Whether they're swimming, grazing, or just relaxing, they do it together. They're a symbol of peace in the Amazon, showing us that harmony is possible even in the wildest places. Let's give a big cheer for the capybara. These remarkable rodents have earned their place as one of the Amazon's most beloved creatures. Ready to meet our next Amazon wonder? Onward! The rainforest is full of surprises, and the adventure is just beginning. Next up, the giant anteater. This animal has a super long snout and an even longer tongue, up to 2 feet. No teeth? No problem. That sticky tongue slurps up ants and termites, up to 30,000 a day. Giant anteaters use powerful claws to rip open termite mounds, then walk on their knuckles to protect those claws. Their eyesight isn't great, but their sense of smell is incredible. They can sniff out ant colonies from far away. baby anteaters ride on their mum's back, getting a piggyback through the jungle. Their bushy tail acts as a blanket or sunshade, nature's multi-tool. These peaceful giants are over 7 feet long from snout to tail. They're solitary except for mums and babies. The giant anteater helps keep ant and termite populations in check. An important job. Every animal in the Amazon has a special role. Let's give a round of applause for the amazing giant anteater. Who's ready for something even stranger? Meet the glass frog, the Amazon's see-through superstar. Its belly skin is so transparent you can see its heart beating and organs inside, like X-ray vision. Glass frogs are tiny, usually about the size of your thumb, and their backs are bright green for perfect camouflage on leaves. Their see-through bellies help them hide from predators below, while their green backs blend in from above. These frogs are nocturnal, active at night, resting under leaves by day. They hunt insects and spiders with quick reflexes and sticky tongues. Glass frogs lay eggs on leaves overhanging streams. When tadpoles hatch, they drop right into the water below. Their life cycle is a rainforest marvel. Being small and see-through helps them avoid snakes, birds, and other predators. Their camouflage is a survival superpower. The Amazon is full of tiny wonders like the glass frog. Imagine seeing a frog's heartbeat through its skin. Nature's magic. These delicate creatures remind us how surprising and diverse the jungle can be. Let's cheer for the glass frog. Ribbit, ribbit, hooray. Ready for the tiniest monkey in the world? Time for the pygmy marmoset, the world's smallest monkey. Meet a creature so tiny, it could fit comfortably in the palm of your hand, or even perch on your finger like a living, breathing toy. But don't let their miniature size fool you. These monkeys are full of energy and personality. This adorable primate is about the size of a banana and weighs as much as a small apple. Imagine holding a monkey that's lighter than your smartphone. Their tiny bodies make them one of the most unique primates on the planet, and their delicate features are simply captivating. Despite their size, they're amazing jumpers, leaping between trees with ease. Their powerful hind legs allow them to spring distances up to 16 feet, an incredible feat for such a small animal. Watching them move is like seeing a tiny acrobat performing in the treetops. Pygmy marmosets live near rivers, clinging to tree trunks with sharp claws. Their claws aren't just for show. They help these monkeys grip the bark tightly, even when the trees are wet and slippery from the rainforest humidity. Their favorite food? Tree sap. They have specialized teeth that let them gnaw into tree bark, creating little wells that fill with sweet, sticky sap. They gnaw holes in bark and lick up the sweet sap, plus they snack on insects and fruit. This varied diet gives them the energy they need to stay active all day long, and their sharp little teeth are perfectly adapted for their unique feeding habits. Watching a pygmy marmoset eat is a fascinating sight. Their tiny hands work quickly, and their tongues are surprisingly long, perfect for reaching every last drop of sap. These monkeys live in tight family groups, communicating with high-pitched whistles and clicks, sometimes too high for humans to hear. Their social bonds are strong, and they spend much of their time grooming each other and playing together in the safety of the treetops. Being tiny means they must watch out for predators like eagles and snakes, so they're always alert and quick to hide. Their small size makes them hard to spot, but it also means they have to be extra careful in the wild. Baby marmosets are often twins, and dads help carry them. Teamwork is key. The whole family pitches in to care for the young, making sure the babies are safe and well fed as they grow. Their fur blends in with tree bark, giving them extra camouflage. This natural disguise helps them avoid predators and sneak up on tasty insects. The pygmy marmoset proves you don't have to be big to be amazing. Their expressive faces and curious eyes show just how intelligent and aware they are of their surroundings. They're a reminder that the Amazon is full of surprises, big and small. Every corner of this rainforest hides a new wonder, and the pygmy marmoset is one of its most delightful secrets. Imagine spotting one peeking from behind a leaf. You'd have to look closely as their tiny size and perfect camouflage make them almost invisible among the dense foliage. These monkeys are true jungle acrobats. Their agility and speed let them dart through the trees, chasing insects or playing with their siblings. Their leaps are so quick and precise, It's almost like watching a tiny superhero in action. Let's give a tiny cheer for the pygmy marmoset. Squeak, squeak, hooray. These little monkeys may be small, but they have a big place in the heart of the rainforest. Ready for our final Amazon marvel? Let's dive in. Our last animal is the electric eel, an electrifying Amazon resident. This mysterious creature has fascinated scientists and explorers for centuries, thanks to its unique abilities and secretive lifestyle. Found deep within the winding rivers and flooded forests of South America, the electric eel is a true master of its murky domain. This fish can generate electric shocks up to 600 volts, enough to stun prey or scare off predators. Imagine a jolt powerful enough to knock a grown human off their feet. The electric eel uses this shocking power to hunt, defend itself, and even communicate with other eels. It's like having a built-in superpower that no other Amazon fish can match. Electric eels use weaker electric pulses to see in dark, muddy water, like a living radar. These low-voltage signals help them sense the world around them, detecting the tiniest movements of fish or frogs hiding in the gloom. In the pitch-black waters where light barely reaches, this electric sense is their secret weapon for survival. Despite the name, they're not true eels. They're knife fish, shaped for smooth swimming. Their long, ribbon-like bodies glide effortlessly through the water, allowing them to sneak up on unsuspecting prey. This unique shape also helps them move backward as easily as forward, making them agile hunters in tangled underwater forests. They live in slow, murky rivers and swamps, hiding among plants and mud. These shadowy habitats are perfect for ambush, and the electric eel's dark coloring helps it blend in with the riverbed. Sometimes they'll bury themselves in the mud to wait for prey, or to escape the hot sun. Electric eels must surface to breathe air, using special organs in their mouths. Unlike most fish, they can't get enough oxygen from water alone, so they gulp air every few minutes. This adaptation lets them survive in places where the water is thick with mud and low in oxygen, environments where few other fish can live. Their bodies are packed with thousands of electrocytes, cells that work like tiny batteries to create powerful jolts. When the eel wants to strike, these cells line up and release a surge of electricity all at once. It's a biological marvel, and scientists are still studying how these cells work together so perfectly. While they don't glow, their electric sense lets them light up their world and hunt in total darkness. At night, when most animals are sleeping, the electric eel is wide awake, using its electric field to find food and avoid danger. It's like having night vision, but even more advanced. They're mostly solitary, hunting fish, amphibians, and even small mammals at night. With their stealthy movements and shocking attacks, they can catch prey that would escape from other predators. Sometimes they'll even leap out of the water to deliver a shock to animals on land. Their electric power makes them top hunters in the Amazon's dark waters. Few creatures dare to challenge an electric eel, and their reputation keeps most predators at bay. They truly rule their underwater kingdom with a spark. The electric eel is a true wonder, nature's living battery. Its incredible abilities have inspired inventors and amazed biologists for generations. There's still so much to learn about these shocking swimmers. Learning about them shows how animals adapt in amazing ways. From breathing air to generating electricity, the electric eel is a champion of survival and ingenuity in the wild. The Amazon is full of surprises, and the electric eel is one of the most shocking. Every time you think you've seen it all, nature reveals another electrifying secret. Let's give a zappy cheer for the electric eel. Bzzzt! Hooray! This amazing animal reminds us that the natural world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. What an electrifying end to our animal adventure. The electric eel truly lights up the Amazon, and our imaginations too. Ready for a quick jungle quiz? Let's see how much you remember about this shocking swimmer and its wild rainforest home. What an adventure. We met the chill capybara, tongue-tastic giant anteater, see-through glass frog, tiny pygmy marmoset, and shocking electric eel. Quick quiz. Which animal is see-through? That's right, the glass frog. And the smallest monkey? The pygmy marmoset. The Amazon is full of mystery and life. So much more to discover. Thanks for joining me. See you next time for more wild adventures. Bye-bye.